What is going on, everyone? This is Chris Walton, your favorite real estate agent. Today, I'm talking to you about real estate investments and how to invest in real estate. How can you invest your money into real estate? Similar to investing in the stock market, similar to investing in business ventures, how can you do it in real estate? So, if you like this video and like my content, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, there are endless variety of ways to invest in real estate, from taking out a home mortgage to building a property empire that spans the entire country. While the latter is probably out of reach for most of us, there's no shortage of other options. What's more, not all of them need to involve headaches of financing or maintaining rental properties and being a landlord. So, I'm going to talk to you about 5 different strategies for adding real estate exposure to your investments. Real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. So if you'd like to invest in real estate immediately with as little money as possible, you should take a look at real estate investment trusts. REITs. What are REITs, right? These are public companies who raise funds by selling shares of stock and issuing bonds and use the proceeds to purchase and lease out real estate. They'll purchase assets such as shopping malls, office buildings, apartment buildings, warehouses, even land for agriculture. And then they will sell that out or share it out and make a profit off of it. Now, REITs, they're required to pay out nearly all of their after-tax profits to investors as dividends. So by investing in them, you could earn a little bit each quarter from your investment. Crowdfunding real estate platforms. Investors who prefer to take a more hands-on approach should check out crowdfunding real estate investment platforms. Many of these online investment platforms let you invest specific real estate development projects rather than large generic portfolios of properties. So you could specifically see, hey, this home in Colorado or this home in Missouri is what the investment looks like. Real estate crowdfunding platforms, they pool money from multiple investors to fund the development projects. They generally require investors to commit to real estate investments for longer periods of time, such as 5 years or more in many cases. Invest in your own home. Primary residence are the most common ways that people invest in real estate. You take out a mortgage, make a monthly payment, and gradually you build toward ownership in your own home. With luck and the strong demand in your local market, you can cash in on the equity when you sell your home. While investing in your own home can help you build wealth over the long term, average annual returns are less than you might expect. For example, from 1994 to 2019, homes only increased in value about 3.9%, according to a report from industry analyst Black Knight. Invest in rental properties. If you're looking to make a major commitment into investing in real estate, consider purchasing rental properties and being a landlord. Rental properties, what they offer is steady cash flow as well as the possibility of appreciation over time. So you get the both of best worlds. But they are one of the most labor-intensive methods of real estate investment because you are a landlord and it is pretty hands-on. You have to contact the tenant, set up leases, signings, possibly eviction and handle repairs should they come up. However, there are options and property management companies that can help you handle this. Now, there are 2 primary ways to invest in rental properties: long-term rentals and short-term rentals. Long-term rentals, these are properties that are generally designed to be rented out at least on a year-to-year basis. In theory, they provide a steady monthly cash flow, though it depends on your tenants being reliable. So it's very important that you screen your tenants well in advance and very thoroughly. That way you run into less problems on the other end. For example, you might buy a multi-unit property or a single-family home, even a condo or a townhome that you would like to rent out. Now, the other option, short-term rentals, these are properties that cater to rotating tenants whose stays might be as short as one night or a weekend, such as an Airbnb or a vacation rental. You might list your entire home or your apartment when you're away, or you could invest in a separate property specifically designed for only short-term rental purposes. Invest in real estate by flipping properties. You don't have to buy rental properties to maximize your profit from real estate investing. Buying and flipping properties is a very common strategy Although, like rental properties, flipping properties takes a lot of work. It means you're renovating or rehabbing a home and learning to identify up-and-coming neighborhoods that will let you sell your purchases at a premium in the future. If your home flipping strategy involves renovation and construction, it can mean taking on extra risk and high out-of-pocket costs. Long story short, it's not as easy as they may make it look on HGTV. So be sure to thoroughly do your work, get your home inspections, get all your quotes from contractors prior to entering into a rehab or a flip project. That's all for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed our video. And if you have any questions, just give me a huge thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel below. Let me know if you want to see any other exciting content about real estate, and I will be more than happy to provide that to you. Until next time, this is Chris Walton, your favorite real estate agent. Take care.